You're
He'll go home.
Look at how you're beautiful.
He'll go home on Thursday. Then the other girl will go home, and but Gallo is pretty. He's just easy going.
Oh, sweet. You're our little guy. Yes, you are. You're our little guy. But I want you to stay with your friends for a minute longer. Yeah. Hi, sweeties. I'm gonna take your brother. I'm gonna take your brother. Are you chomping on my fingers? Huh? Are you chomping? Hi, sweethearts. Hi, sweethearts. You a red one. You like to bite, huh? You like to bite me. Hi, little orange. Hi, I remember you. You were out by yourself that day. Yes.
You want to pick ours up?
Yeah. Was he the chubby one or no?
Him and Pino were always the big one.
Okay.
Yeah, so he could have been more. I mean, they were never fat. He was just always so much bone on him.
And now he doesn't look like that anymore, does he?
No, he's up here. What's that? Go up here, the pretty boy.
Yeah, he looks
pretty
really
boy.
good. I mean, not that he didn't look good. He looked adorable. He was chubby
No, but
too.
he just kind of did.
He's having some pop.
A little bit of peanut butter. Oh, Margo, I know.
Hi, sweetheart.
Oh,
Hi, sweetheart. Can I climb in or?
of course you can. Of course you can. We'll just have you stack up here and it's so tall.
What's he getting?
Some peanut butter.
No.
Kathy does it with a spatula, which is like, what a great idea.
That is a good idea.
Margo, I don't need your help, honey.
She needs peanut butter to fatten her up.
We should have brought her a jar.
Come on.
Hi, sweet babies.
You stacking?
Yeah.
Oh, so beautiful. We could take all of you home. Yes. You are just a nibbler, Miss Red.
Yeah, we're trying to do it on a toe that moves. That's impressive. Here. Done.
You're so cute. Hi, guys. Hi. Are you guys excited?
I'm sorry that this
You're
is...
on camera, Sue.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh, Trevor's watching from home.
So was this the one you were hoping to get?
I
They
didn't
don't matter to
know.
me.
Did it matter?
No.
That's so nice.
I just like to be curious, like to remember then when we were watching what he was doing now. So I put that back and looked at pictures
I would say that
and.
he's probably, right now he's on a slippery thing, but he just is so four square. You just set him down and he's. Yeah,
It's just so stinking cute.
Lick the peanut butter off his nose. So, he has a toy,
Okay.
some treats. June 1st, give him his heart guard. There's a heart guard tablet in there. And then we'll grab his blanket.
Okay.
And then I have an extra small bed like this. I didn't wash it.
Okay.
That you just have peed on, but it's
No, that'd be nice for him to just have something else too.
And then Kathy and I will do the registration, and then it will just get mailed to you.
Okay.
And then Margo. So I have no promise that he won't do this.
This is our future.
This
Margo,
is
you're
your
not
future.
taught him to do this.
Oh, Margo, you are. She is literally part goat. She is. But I think she comes honestly by it because I understand Sugar, her mom, is a lot like this.
Oh goodness.
So how about if you, come on, can you get down?
I'm not your I don't have that stuff to nurse with you guys. Yes, no,
Come on, oh, come on, honey.
I don't have that. I don't have that.
You seem perfectly capable.
Hey, Mister. Miss. Hi. Oh yeah, the girls are the ones, Butterfly and Flower, right?
Yep. And then, so he'll be nearby, and then Blue Boy Pino's going to do a companion home down in Mankato.
Okay.
And then, our puppy, and then Red and Green are going to go south. They're going to North Carolina and Virginia.
Nursing.
So we know where this stuff is. And then the other girl will go to Canada.
Canada.
Oh, and Orange Boy is going to go to Ryan and Amanda in the apartment in Aubrey.
Okay.
So then so they'll go to Madison,
Okay.
that area. So it's still close by, and